Earning rewards has never been easier, and the best way to maximize your returns is through Vivid Money. Vivid Money is a financial app designed to give users more than just a banking experience. It offers cashback, stock rewards, and unique perks that traditional banks don't provide. Every transaction made with your Vivid Money card can generate rewards in real time, making every purchase an opportunity to grow your wealth. The key to earning the highest rewards is using the Vivid Money app strategically. Start by linking your card to your everyday spending. Groceries, fuel, online shopping, and even subscription services can all contribute to cashback. Vivid Money offers different tiers of cashback depending on your activity and subscription plan. Standard users can earn up to 1% cashback on purchases, while premium users can earn up to 5%. Over a month, this can amount to hundreds of dollars in cashback, especially if most of your routine expenses are covered through the app. Vivid Money also provides access to stock rewards. Certain purchases unlock fractional shares of popular companies, giving users the ability to invest without upfront capital. This is a passive yet powerful way to grow your portfolio while spending as usual. To maximize earnings, take advantage of Vivid Money's partner offers and promotions. These can multiply your rewards for specific categories or merchants. Regularly checking the app for bonus campaigns ensures that no opportunity is missed. Finally, withdraw or reinvest your earnings efficiently. Cashback can be transferred directly to your bank account, while stock rewards can accumulate and grow with the market. By using Vivid Money consistently and strategically, every dollar spent works toward generating more value, transforming everyday purchases into real, tangible rewards. Vivid Money isn't just a financial tool, it's a method to earn smarter, maximize benefits, and make your money work harder. With careful planning and regular use, your everyday spending becomes a direct pathway to significant financial gains.